Good afternoon, dear students. Are you fine? Okay. How is you? Good. Have you done your homework in previous class? Okay. Good. Can we start today lesson? Are you ready? Okay. That is today we are going to discuss congruence criteria. Is it? Yes. That is what in previous class we discussing about the congruence. Is it? In previous class we studied that is SSS congruence criteria and SAS congruence criteria, and next we studied what? We studied ASA, and at last we studied what? Or we discussing RHS criteria, right? Right angle triangles congruence criteria. Is it? Yes. Can we start? Try these and examples of right angle triangles congruence. Are you ready? Good. That is first, for example, what is? For example, there is a figure that is this one, and this is, and here is it? Yes. And A, B, C, and this is D. And question is that in figure DA perpendicular to AB, DA perpendicular to AB. That means this angle is 90 degree. Perpendicular line means they make it as 90 degree. And next is what? Next is what? And there is also given CB perpendicular to AB. CB perpendicular to AB. CB perpendicular to AB means this angle is also 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. Is it? Yes. This is also 90 degree. That is, this angle A is 90 degree, and this angle B is also 90 degree. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is good. And next is, this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. And here is, we can say, when we considering triangles ABD, triangle ABD, is it? The question is AC equal to BD. State the three pairs of equal parts in triangle ABC and triangle DAB. Which of the following statement is meaningful? Which of the statement is meaningful? And first is what? We want to write three pairs of equal in triangle ABD and triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Is it? Yes. We can say that triangle, what is we can say triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle ABC equal to angle what? Angle ABC equal to angle BAB. Is it? Is it? Yes. Because what is the reason? This is 90 degree. These are 90 degree. These are 90 degree. Is it? Is it? Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. Triangle ABD and triangle ABC. When we consider these triangles, we can say that angle ABC. Angle ABC. Angle ABC means angle B. When we consider triangle ABC, angle ABC, that is angle B, is 90 degree and also angle BAD is 90 degree. Is it? Yes. And next is already according to question we can say that BD equal to AC or AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD. Is it? AC equal to BD. Is it? Yes. And next is what? AB equal to A. Why? AB is a common side of two triangles. That is ABD is this one and ABC this triangle. That is when we consider AB, AB is common. So AB equal to AB. AB equal to AB. That is common side. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is AB is common. So we can say that what here is these two triangles are congruent by RHS. Right angle triangles congruence criteria. By right angle triangle congruence criteria, we can say that the angle triangle ABD congruent to triangle ABC. And next is we want to say that state true or false. True or false. First is triangle ABC equal to congruent to triangle BAD. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. That is true. That is true. And second one is triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. That is not meaningful. Is it? Yes. That is not meaningful. Okay. Yes. That is here is B and here is one more time explain. That is when we consider the triangles, the pairs of triangles ABC and DAB. DAB. That is, we can rewrite it as DAB. That is why I rewrite, because according to your question, sometimes DAB means or ABD is also a right angle. Triangle ABD is also a right angle. For more clarification, that is according to question, in your question, the name of triangles are like this: triangle DAB and triangle ABC. And second one is triangle ABC and next is ABD. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. So next is we are going to discuss or try this. Second one is not what. Second one is not meaningful in the sense the correspondence among the vertices is not satisfied. That is triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. Triangle ABC is this one and triangle ABD. Is it? Yes. And next we are going to discuss our try this. Is it? Yes. That is, first one is we want to check in figures. Some figures are given, measurement of some parts are of triangles are case of congruent triangles, write the resulting symbolic form. Write the resulting symbolic form. Okay, that is figure is what? First one figure is here, and next one is this one, is it? Yes, and name is P, Q, R, and second one is what? P, E, F, is it? Yes, D, E, F, and angle Q is 90, and angle E is 90, and DE is 2.5, and P2 is 3 cm, and 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Is it congruent? Is it congruent? That is, first one is, when we see this, is it congruent? That is, when we checking, that is angle Q equal to angle E equal to 90 degree. That is, it is 90 degree. So these angles are equal. And next one is what? Next one is PR. The line segment PR equal to DF, line segment DF, and next is what? Next is note, this is P2 and QR, and P2 and QR, here is P2 is 3 centimeter, line segment P2 not equal to line segment EB. So these triangles not congruent. So these triangles not congruent. That is, triangle PQR not congruent to triangle DEF. Is it? Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, this is not congruent by RHS, right angle congruence rule. By RHS rule, this is not congruent. Because why? What is the reason? The reason is what? Here is angle Q equal to angle E, and angle line segment PR is equal to line segment DF, and P2 is not equal to ED. By RHS rule, congruence rule, there is one right angle and hypotenuse and any other one side. Any other one side. This is not congruent. Okay. And second one is like this. Second figure is that is AB and CD, right angle, and here also right angle, and here is 2 centimeter. Is it? Yes, and here is also 2 centimeter. Is it? These triangles are congruent. Is it? Is it? Is it? Because when we consider these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ABD, ABC and ABD, that is, we get what? Angle C equal to angle D. Angle C equal to angle D. Is it? Yes. And next is what? Angle C equal to angle D and AC equal to B. AC equal to B. Is it? Yes. And AB is common side and AB is hypotenuse. Is it? This is 90 degree. This is one side and this is common side and hypotenuse. So these are congruent. These triangles are congruent by RHS congruent rule. By RHS congruent rule. Is it? Yes. By RHS congruent rule. Is it? Yes. That is, triangle ABC and triangle ABD, when we considering these two triangles, we get angle C equal to angle D 90 degree and AC equal to BD, that is 2 centimeter, and AB equal to AB, that is common side and also that is hypotenuse. That is our hypotenuse. Is it? Yes. That is, third and fourth are for Roman. Following like this, you get these solutions. And second one is, it is to be established by RHS congruence rule that triangle ABC congruent to triangle RP2, triangle ABC congruent to triangle RP2. What is the additional information is? What is the additional information is needed if it is given that triangle angle B equal to angle P equal to 90 degree and AB equal to RP. What additional information is needed? That is, when we sketch the rough figure, when we sketch the rough figure, two triangles and triangle ABC and RP2. RP2. And first one is what? Angle B equal to angle P. This is 90 degree. 90. And next is what? AB equal to RP. This side is equal to RP. That is, next we want the information. We needed the information AC equal to, what is AC equal to RQ. What is AC? AC is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC and RQ is the hypotenuse of triangle RP2. RQ is hypotenuse of triangle RP2. AC is what? AC is hypotenuse of triangle ABC. Is it? Yes. And next is we are going to discussing about fourth question. Third is for a homework. Fourth question is triangle with AB equal to AC and AD is one of its altitudes. AD is one of the altitudes. That is figure is here. And this triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, and here is AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Is it? And this is one, and AD is one of its altitude. Altitude means what? Altitude. What do you mean by altitude? That is, we already studied the median altitude. Is it? Yes. That is, this means here is 90 degree. Here is 90 degree. Is it? Is it? Yes. Here is 90 degree. Is it? Yes. That is angle ADB and angle ADC are 90 degree. Is it? Yes. First question is, state the three pairs of equal parts in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. We want to state three pairs. That is AB equal to AC. Is it? Why? What is the reason given that? And AD equal to AD. When we consider triangles ABC and triangle ADB, triangle ADC and triangle ADB, what we get? We get triangle ADC is, what is triangle ADC? In triangle ADC, that is this triangle, and ADB means this triangle. AB equal to AC according to question for isosceles triangle, and AD equal to AD because common side. And we can say that angle ADC equal to angle AD. Is it? Yes. That is, these are 90 degrees. That is altitude according to question. That is altitude. And next question is what? Second question is triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC? That is, triangle ADC congruent triangle ADB. Is it right? Is it right? Yes, it is right. It is right. Is it right? Yes. That is, these triangles are congruent by RHS congruent criteria. Is it? Right angle congruent criteria. Is it? Yes. So we can say that it is congruent. Is it? That is, these triangles are congruent by RHS congruent criteria. Right angle triangle criteria. Is it? Yes. That is, third one is angle B equal to angle C. Is it? Angle B equal to angle C. Is it? Yes, because one corresponding parts of a congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of a congruent triangles. So angle B equal to angle C. Is it? Yes. And next is fourth question, BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD. Is it? BD equal to CD. Yes, BD equal to CD because corresponding parts of a congruent triangles. So we can say that what? BD equal to CD. And next we are going to discuss about our exercise 7.2. Is it? Yes. That is exercise 7.2. Is it? Yes. That is what here is 149 and exercise 7.2. First question is, which congruence criterion do you use in the following? That is, which one? Which congruence criterion do you use in the following? Given that AC equal to AB, that is, there are two triangles. First question. Second triangle and ABC and DEF. Is it? Yes. That is, here is ABC and DF, and given that AC equal to DF, AC equal to DF. And second one is what? AB equal to DE. AB equal to DE and BC equal to EF. EF. That is, which property do you use? That is, question is, which congruence criteria do you use in the following? Which criteria? Here AB, C, ABC and DEF triangle, and which criteria you use? That is, here is AC equal to DF. That is, this side is equal to this side, and next is AB side. Second side is AB is equal to DE, the second side. Is it? Yes. And BC is equal to EF. That is, three sides of a triangle is equal to three sides of another triangle. So we can use here what? Side congruence criteria, or SSS congruence criteria. Here we use it. And second question is, following like this, we get the answer. That is, there are two triangles. Also, name is changing. That is R, P, Q and Z, X, Y. Z, X, Y. And R equal to ZY and R equal to ZY and ZS X equal to RP, and next is angle PR2 equal to angle XZY. So triangles, these triangles are congruent. Which is here using? Which one is here using? That is, first one is, in first question, side. Here is side angle. That is, R2 is here and ZY is here, and ZX is here and RB is here, and angle is this one and here is this one. That is, two sides and the included angle of a triangle is equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle is equal. So these triangles are congruent. Here we using SAS congruence criterion. SAS congruence criterion. And third, C part and D part are for your homework. And next is second question. Second question is what? Second question is you want to show that triangle ART congruent triangle PEN. ART congruent triangle PEN. That is, we have two triangles. And this is ART and this is PEN. And first question, if you have to assess criterion, then you need to show that what we need to show that is first is AR equal to what? AR equal to PE, that is AR equal to PE, and next is PN equal to AT or AT equal to PN. Third one is and RT equal to EN. That is SSS. Is it? Yes. AT equal to PN and RT equal to EN. Then we have the triangles are congruent by SSS, side congruent criteria. And second B part is, if it is given that angle T equal to angle N, angle T equal to angle N, then and you are to use SS criterion, you need to have RT equal to EN. Is it? Yes. RT equal to EN. RT equal to EN. And AT equal to or PN equal to AT. That is, we have SAS, side included angle side. That is, here we take this side, then you must take this side. This is our included angle. This is our included angles. Is it? Yes. That is, so PN equal to AT. PN equal to AT. And C part is for your homework. When you follow it like this, you get the correct answer. And third one is, you have to show that triangle AMP congruent triangle AMQ. Triangle. These are the figure. Is it? Yes. This is M and this is A. This is P and this is Q. And if you have to show that triangle AMP and triangle AMQ are congruent, the following proof supply the missing reasons. Missing reason. We want to supply the missing reasons. That is, what is our reasons? That is, when you see in the page number 150, you can see the table. Some steps are missing. Is it? Yes. That is, PM equal to QM. PM equal to QM. When we see in the figure, this information is already given. Is it? Yes. PM equal to QM. That is triangle AMQ and triangle AMP. Is it? We want to show that these triangles are congruent. That is, next angle PMA equal to angle QMA. Angle PMA equal to angle QMA. What is the reason? That is also given. When we see in your textbook, this information is already given. And AM equal to A. AM equal to A. Why? Because common side. Is it? Yes. AM equal to AM, common side. So that is, here is two sides and one angle. That is PM and A. That is two sides and included angle is what? Included angle is equal. So these triangles are congruent by SAS. Side included angle side. That is the solution. And the fourth one is for your homework. And fifth one is, in the figure the two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. We can write triangle RT congruent what? RT congruent what? That is, here is the figure. Fourth question is for your homework, and write your homework in your notebook and send it to me. Any doubt, you can contact me. That is fifth question. In the figure, the two triangles are congruent. The corresponding pairs are marked. We can write triangle RT. That is, one triangle is here, and next one is here, and RAT and NWO. That is, which one? Here is, these angles are equal, and this is NO and AT, and next is W. Next is WO is congruent to AR, and angle T is and W is 1 and R is 1, and next is A and O is W. That is, what is, which triangle is congruent? That is, we can write triangle what? Triangle RAT congruent to what? Triangle WON. Is it? Yes. Is it? These triangles are congruent. By questions. For according to question, there are given information. Is it? Yes. And sixth one is for your homework. Sixth is homework. And seventh question is what? Seventh question is also for your homework. And eighth is what? Eighth question congruent parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. We want to sketch two triangles. That is, they have 5 parts are equal, but they are not congruent. That is, we can sketch as triangles as and next is it? Yes. That is, here we can given ABC and 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Is it? Yes. 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Is it? Yes. That is, next we can given name as EFD. EFD. This is EFD. And next is angle. Which angles are given? We want to, what is question? One more time I am repeating. Draw a rough sketch of 2 triangles such that they have 5 pairs of congruent parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. Not congruent. That is, here we can do the. That is, here we can in triangle ABC and triangle EFD, we can say that what AB equal to what? AB equal to DF. AB equal to DF, BC equal to what? ED and CA. CA equal to what? EF. CA equal to EF. EF. CA equal to EF. Is it? Yes. That is, this is AB is 2 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. And we have 3 parts. And next is angle BAC. BAC equal to angle EDF. Angle EDF. And next is angle ABC. Angle ABC equal to what? Angle FED. Angle FED. Angle FED or DF, you can say. That is here, but triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle EDF. Triangle EDF. That is, these triangles are not congruent. We have solution. And 9th and 10th are for your homework. And we finished this chapter. In this chapter, we studied SSS criteria, side congruent criteria, and next we studied side criteria, and next we studied what? ASA, angle, included side angle, and last we studied right angle congruence rule. In this chapter we studied these criterions, these congruent rules. That is, I am repeating, one is SSS and second one is SAS, third one is ASA, and fourth one is what? Right angle congruence rule. Okay, I wish you a good day. Thank you.